The Sealey SV20 Series 25cm cordless chainsaw is an ideal addition to your garden maintenance toolkit. It features a high-quality 25cm Oregon bar and chain, which includes an automatic chain lubricator and a 110ml oil tank. With oil level indication display, the Kickback protection with instant chain brake means you can stay safe when cutting larger pieces of wood, and the composite housing and soft grip handles make it easy and comfortable to use. Changing the chain is simple with toolless chain tensioning, and with a runtime of over 4 hours when using a 6Ah battery, you can guarantee to get your job done. Part of the SV20 series offering a one battery fits all solution, keeping costs down without compromising on performance. The Sealey SV20 Series 25cm cordless chainsaw, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.